D major chord will be played with the last 4 strings of your guitar. So the first one will be open D string. Next one will be G on the 2nd fret with your index finger, G, 2nd fret. Next one is your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the B string. There it is. So make sure you play them individually. And the next one, last one, is your middle finger, 2nd fret of the E string, the high E string. So you want to play these 4 notes, open E and the rest. It's going to sound just like this. That's when you know you're doing it correctly. Make sure your fingers are spread apart. They're not too close to each other. Laid flat where your thumb should be. You could always change it as well. You could hug it right here. If the flat thumb doesn't work for you, you could always hug it and keep that spacing. Metal strip, that's where all your fingers should be, right next to it. Not on top of it, because you're gonna hear this sound if you are. So let's get that right. You got the D major chord. See you in the next lesson.